Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. Yesterday I was occupied. I had some personal commitments, so I couldn't post any video. So market was so much volatile, right? Too volatile. So if you are being following us, I told in day before yesterday's video also that the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very less, right? Even though market tried to touch, now yesterday also it tried to touch around 18,400 and today also it tried to touch 18,500 and it failed. Bulls were not able to touch 18,400, not because I am a bear, but 18,400 is not going to happen now. Now if you see the both Bank Nifty chart and Nifty chart, 2 days of decisiveness, indecisiveness, or 2 days of doji pattern forming. Now I have not seen 2 days of doji pattern then a big green candle. I don't think it has happened, and even if it happens, it is very rare, and there is no reason for the markets to touch all-time high as of now. We have run so much. We have gone from 16,800 almost to 18,400. That's a good bull run. So we need consolidation. When market consolidates and then it continues to run on the higher side or drifts towards the higher side, that is going to be a good market. And if there is no consolidation and market cannot keep on moving on one direction, and if you see the FII DAI data, even FII DAIs are net buyers, which means they are in confusion mode. And I'm sure from tomorrow, as of now, as I talk to you, I'm sure FII DAI data would have not yet come, but even if it has come, I'm sure either the DAIs or the FIIs would have been net sellers. We'll talk about that later. But there is a very important event tonight, that is 6:30 p.m. Time now is almost 5:45. 6:30 p.m. Today, Federal Reserve Chairman Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to give a speech in Logan. So we'll see what he is talking about. And if you see it on a whole perspective, a whole global perspective, every market is down. It was only our market which was trying to go on the higher side, right? So if you see the US futures, now as I talk to you, US futures are down by around 70 points, and even Europe is down. All not a single market was in the green, but it was only our market which was trying to go on the higher side, right? So we are bullish, our retailers are bullish, right? And they want to take the market on the higher side. And eventually what happened is 18,300 people. Yesterday I saw so much of put writing at 18,300, and it was they had to run for cover today. I'm sure tomorrow market may gap down, and that's why I told there is first thing is 2 days of undecisiveness, and first doji, yesterday also doji, today also doji, and today's doji is lower than yesterday's doji, right? So if you see here, 3 days of undecisiveness, and look at the May series, how market one day going up, one day coming down, one day going up. It is very hard to trade in this market, right? And if you see, there is no premiums at all. If I open the option chain, let me tell you, open the option chain, and if you see the option chain, there is no premium at all. In spite of not having premium, market is moving violently. Means what you can do as an option seller, you will find it very hard to trade these kind of market. Not only Bank Nifty, even Nifty is also very. If you see Nifty 2 days of doji pattern, right? This doji, first day doji, that is 23rd May doji. Another, this is, I don't know, this is also doji pattern, I think. And you see the candle, it has gone higher, it tried to go higher, and it maybe this is a shooting star, I think, or inverted hammer. So 2 days of undecisiveness, and tomorrow we are likely to head towards 18,200. Of course, I don't know what Jerome Powell is going to talk at around 6:30 p.m. or what minute he is going to come out with. We really don't know about that, but even if it, I think market, what I think is people know, or institutions know, or HNIs know what is going to happen. That is why they are not going long in the market. Maybe there might be some negative news which is in line, and maybe they are expecting some negative news. That's why they are not taking the market on the higher side. And you know that FIIs are market makers. It is FIIs, purely FIIs. If they want to take the market on the higher side or lower side, it is only FIIs who are going to do this. And I'm sure since there is no positive news, or since there is no any positive news which they are expecting, they are not taking the market on the higher side. And if you see the sectoral wise, today India VIX alone shot up more than 3.97%. And why India VIX is shooting up is because there is some news in the line. That's why it is shooting up 3.97%. And worst performer was Nifty Metal today, down by 1.56%. After yesterday, Nifty IT, 2 days of day before yesterday, Nifty IT was performing. That also didn't perform. And if you see Adani index, last 2 days it has gone more than how many percent? Maybe 35% or more than around 40%. And today Adani also hasn't performed very well, right? So things are not looking good for Indian market, or for that matter whole world market. You see the drop here. Now from 18,200 all the way tried to breach 18,400, then low was around 18,266. At least bulls were able to close the market exactly at open, right? So that's what we told in today's Telegram group, right? We have a very vibrant Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join, and we'll see how things pan out. And this is in terms of Nifty. And if you can see the open interest, what I can see is this is Nifty open interest. Today, huge number of calls are being written at 18,300. And the major thing is that one more interesting stuff is that this 18,300 put writers are not panicking. In spite of market falling so much, this 18,300 people are not panicking. And that is evident in a chart itself. So you see here, after so much of fall, even after so much of fall, they tried to take the market to around 18,300. And if it gaps down tomorrow, what is going to be the status, or what is going to be the thing is, even if it gaps down tomorrow, there is a strong support at 18,250. I think at least 18,250 will sustain. Now 18,300 was support for all these days. Now since 18,300 is taken out, maybe 18,250 is going to be a good support. Now 18,300 will be a good resistance, and this purely is based on what is going to happen tomorrow. What news are we going to get today evening 6:30 p.m. right? So we'll have to wait and see. Let's see if Nifty is holding to 18,250 or not. If it is not holding to 18,250, we may see levels of 18,200. That is what I am expecting. And in terms of Bank Nifty was super bearish. Look at the way it went all the way. This 44,000, I don't know what is the attachment with Bank Nifty. Try to breach, drift above 44,000, but 2 or 3 days of rejection. Day before yesterday also there was a rejection at 44,000, and yesterday also there were rejection at 44,000, and today also there were rejection at 44,000. Now you can assume that 44,000 is not going to be taken out anytime soon. So you can maybe go and short Bank Nifty. You can sell 44,000 calls. Of course, not in tomorrow's expiry, maybe after that, right? See, that's why people are writing so much of call options at 44,000. In fact, 44,000 is having the highest open interest, and literally there are no put writing, and that's why I'm telling 44,000 is very strong resistance. And in terms of Bank Nifty, Nifty, 18,300 is the million dollar question. Whether we are going to take 18,300 or not, we will know by tomorrow, right? So that's what it is written here. If you see here, 6:30 Fed Logan speech. He is going to give us some indication whether they are going to increase the interest rate or not. You know that Federal Reserve has continuously been increasing the interest rate for 10 consecutive times, and they might give some indication that whether they are going to increase the interest rate or not. We'll see. And don't look at SGX Nifty or even US futures. Look after 6:30 whether they are going to there is some indication or not. We will know after 6:30 only. Now, as of now, US future is down. Europe is very badly down. Europe is almost down by 1.5%. Even German, France, FTSE, everything is down, right? So be careful. I am sure tomorrow you have hedged your position. We'll see how things pan out. My expectation is Nifty will expire between 18,300 to 18,200. That is what I expect. And in terms of Bank Nifty might expire between 43,800 to 43,500. That is what is my expectation. So we'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in at another video. Till then, take care. Bye.